How to cancel YouTube TV subscription. If you're looking to cancel your YouTube TV subscription, whether you're trying to cut back on expenses or just switching services, I've got you covered. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to cancel your YouTube TV subscription. Also, let's get started. First things first, let's open the YouTube TV app on your mobile device. Alternatively, you can go to YouTube TV website as well and make sure you're logged into your account. Next, you need to go to your account settings. Simply tap on your profile icon and go to settings. In the settings menu, scroll down and tap on membership and billing. This will bring you to your subscription list. Now, here you can see a membership subscription. Simply choose to cancel membership or cancel subscription. You'll be asked to confirm your decision, and YouTube TV may offer you some alternatives like pausing your subscription. If you're sure you want to cancel, confirm your choice. Once you confirm, your subscription will be cancelled and you'll get a confirmation email letting you know the cancellation was successful. And that's it. You've successfully cancelled YouTube TV subscription.